Hey guys, I'm John Manning with ElectraFly. Today we're going to do something a little different. We're just going to take some of your questions and answer them. So one of the questions we have is, aren't the propellers dangerous? Yes, of course. Propellers, especially these big propellers, they're very dangerous. If you were to bump into one or something like that, could likely be the last thing you ever do. We do have some protection for that. And a lot of people have asked, why don't you put propeller guards? And the reason we don't is because those are very hard to engineer. What ends up happening is it ends up being a lot of extra weight. And when you put a propeller in a casing, it really has to be a very tight tolerance. The distance between the blade and the casing has to be very, very small. Otherwise you get an aerodynamic interference along there and you'll end up with a lot of drag. At ElectraFly, our philosophy is to try and keep the rider safe by protecting the rider. The idea is that you can buckle on just right around your belt buckle, single point harness, so that you connect to the machine so that you can't fall off it. And then as you reach out all the different directions, you can't touch the propellers, so everything is slightly out of reach. So those are ways that we mitigate the danger or lessen it to a degree. But at the end of the day, yes, anytime you have spinning propellers like that, that is very dangerous.